Building your own PC is like assembling a high-tech puzzle. It sounds scary, but it's easier than you think. Plus, it's way cheaper than buying a pre-built rig. We'll walk through each step, finding the best parts that won't break the bank. Get ready to experience amazing graphics and silky smooth gameplay, all without selling a kidney. Building a PC is a journey. You learn about each component, you understand how they work together, and you feel the satisfaction of booting up your own creation. Trust me, that feeling is unbeatable. But enough talk, let's get down to business. It's time to build a beast of a budget gaming PC that will crush the latest games without draining your wallet. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First things first, we need a shopping list. Think of this as our treasure map. Here's what we need to hunt down. 1. Motherboard, the heart of your PC, connecting everything together. 2. CPU, the brain, crunching numbers for games to run smoothly. 3. GPU, the graphics powerhouse, making your games look stunning. 4. RAM, short-term memory, allowing for quick access to game data. 5. Storage, hard drive or SSD to store your games and files. 6. Case, the stylish shell that houses all these awesome components. 7. Power supply, the energy source, providing juice to your whole system. 8. Cooling system, keeps everything cool and prevents overheating. With this list, we're ready to conquer the world of PC building. Next up, let's learn what each part does and why it matters. Each component plays a crucial role in your PC's performance. Let's break it down. Motherboard. Think of this as the foundation of your house. It dictates what other parts you can use. Choose one that supports your desired CPU and RAM. CPU, the brain of your PC, responsible for processing all the game's instructions. A faster CPU means smoother gameplay. GPU, this is the muscle behind those stunning graphics. A powerful GPU will render games beautifully, even at high resolutions. RAM, imagine this as your PC's short-term memory. More RAM means your PC can quickly access game data, resulting in faster loading times and smoother gameplay. Storage, this is where you store your games, files, and operating system. An SSD will significantly speed up loading times compared to a traditional hard drive. Case, this is more than just looks. A good case provides airflow to keep your components cool. Power supply, this is the heart, pumping energy into your entire system. Cooling system, this prevents your components from overheating, ensuring stability and longevity. Understanding each part's function helps you make informed decisions when choosing your components. Now for the fun part, choosing the actual parts. Remember, we're aiming for a budget build, so we need to prioritize value for money. For the CPU, AMD's Ryzen series offers incredible performance at competitive prices. For the GPU, consider NVIDIA's GeForce GTX series or AMD's Radeon RX series. Both offer great performance for budget builds. When it comes to RAM, aim for at least 16 gigabytes of DDR5 for smooth gaming. For storage, an SSD is a must for faster loading times. You can supplement it with a larger capacity hard drive for additional storage. Don't skimp on the power supply. A reliable power supply ensures the stability of your entire system. For cooling, a good air cooler will suffice for most budget builds. Pro tip, look for refurbished parts or seasonal sales to save even more money. By carefully selecting each component and hunting for deals, you can build an awesome gaming PC without breaking the bank. Happy building!